Hi Mustangs, Ramisa here, and I'm here today at Western's Academic Pavilion in these gorgeous food labs. Let me give you a tour. This is where our annual cooking showdown will be held this year, and in the back we can see we have a bunch of appliances. My favorite appliance would be the juicer, probably because, I have to have my hot girl smoothie every morning. Wow, this looks amazing, and it's so much nicer than my kitchen, honestly. I wish I could have it stocked like this. So, this is where they store all of the spices, and I think my favorite spice would be smoked paprika. And as you can see, it's empty, so it must be other people's favorite as well. And if I could just show you around, 3 top cooking essentials that I would love to have when I'm cooking is probably a very good saucepan. As you can see, this is a very good sized saucepan, and you can make quite a lot of dishes with this. A good spatula. Absolutely. You can't do anything without a good spatula. Everything's gonna get stuck. Okay. And I would say a meat thermometer. I'm not sure if this is exactly the meat thermometer, but we can't be having raw chicken around here, so you have to have some sort of meat thermometer so you know that your food is cooked. This cooking showdown has 9 contestants and 2 student leaders who will be hosting our show. And these student leaders make a lot of impact in the community, so stay tuned and let's fire it up.